Hi, welcome to Small Space Urban Gardening. I'm here at our newly established community garden. This is a new place that I'm growing at. I still grow at the other place that I've been growing at, along with my backyard. And now I'm growing at this new community garden. I'm just taking a few pictures of the things that some of the other garden members are growing. Everything looks good. Lots of collard greens going to seed. We have flowers that we're going to have growing around the perimeter. I stuck this tomato here. And I also put this Shasta daisy, sunflowers, and this calendula over here. I set up this earth bed where I planted some peppers, tomatoes, and nasturtiums, and these other flowers. I forgot the name of these. These are called Nemesia, white Nemesia. This made a miracle comeback as the frost hit weeks ago, and this almost died. The pepper that was here dead. I replaced this one. These zinnias almost died. Two dwarf tomatoes, and died, and I have 2 dwarf tomatoes left. And you can see this one really had a hard time, but it's still alive. It was on life support for a few weeks, and now it's making a recovery. Also, right here is a ghost pepper. This was almost a gone or two. Yeah, this ghost pepper was also in the ICU, and now, as you see, the leaves are coming back. It's starting to look healthy again, but it has a long way to go. And another pepper over here, I forgot what this was. Oh, poblano. That's a poblano I grew from seed. Yes, so. And a few other pepper plants, sweet over here. Sweet on this side, mostly spicy on this side. And one, I forgot. I believe this is a Roma tomato. And these are the cut Rudbeckia, I think it's called. I'm not sure the name. These are like yellow flowers with the brown middle. They look like little daisies or something. Now over here, this is my kitty bed garden. I have a broccoli growing. Over here, I'm not seeing any head yet. Not yet. Something will be coming out of there soon. I have my marigolds. Always got to have my flowers going. This is a cauliflower. I guess there'll be a little bit of head coming out of there soon. And for my first time growing is the fava beans. Look. Oh, wow. They're coming out, fava beans. These were beautiful little white flowers with brown centers. And now I have fava beans growing. The mustard that we're going to seed, I took up all the rest of them except for this one because I would like to collect the seeds. Another marigold over here. And these are called Semposi. These are very good greens, uncommon, very hard to find. I had some seeds back from 2017 that were still fertile. This is a hybrid of a mustard and a cabbage, and I think I'm going to save the seeds even if it does not grow back like the parent plant. I'll give it a try. These are some more perpetual spinach, one of my favorites, and these zinnias. One set is peppermint and the other set is regular. I cannot wait to see these flower. Right over here I have a cherry pepper, and I see that the flower bud is about to blossom. I see the white flowers about to open soon. Over here to my other second kiddie pool, I have 2 pretty nicely sized pineapple tomatillos, or gooseberries or ground cherries as some people call them, different names. are the same plant. Obviously, there's a little marigold coming through. I like to have flowers everywhere. And I have my lavender, more zinnia, this tarragon, and this oregano. This oregano looks really good. And lemongrass. This is my first time growing lemongrass. I'm happy about that. I need to figure out what I want to do with it, but I love the flavor. Find some recipes for it. And of course I have like garlic growing all around in a circle. Over here I have more peppers. Well, these two are Carolina Reapers. These are yellow Reapers. My first time growing this variety. So both of these are yellow Reapers, and behind that I think that's a red Reaper that I started from seed. Not sure, I was not able to pinpoint it. We will see. It's pepper surprise. Every year I have some type of pepper surprise, some more than others. Sometimes almost all of my peppers are pepper surprise. Last year I think that was the case, and I just had to wait until they were ready for harvest. Over here, oh no, I'm stepping on it. And I have some gladiolas coming up. Oh, they're so pretty. I can't wait. Cannot wait till the flowers come in. And I'm trying something new this year where I'm growing out of the grow bag, out of the soil bag directly. I know it's a little bit crazy. I put holes at the bottom and then cut open the soil bag. So I have two different types of squash in here. One of them is like Cocozelle, I think it's called. And then the other one is like a yellow squash, flat neck, a straight neck, I believe. And then I have these beans coming out. And over here I have corn. Four stalks of corn. And in the middle right there, those seedlings, those are Armenian cucumbers. This will be my second time trying to grow them. The first time I tried to grow them, they were pumpkins. I don't know why. I sowed more than one seed, and both of them came out to be pumpkins, so the whole seed pack was a flop. So that's it for right now for my small space urban garden video. Hopefully I'll see you soon. I'll take a tour of my backyard, and I'll take a tour of what I'm growing at my other community garden. And that's it. Bye.